Hi guys, it's Maaike. I'm back with Used on Hoard just as number 26. This is the card I made. So cute. It's a 3TG from Time for Tea Designs. Here it is. I printed it already on Copic marker paper from Crafter's Companion. And I linked it down below because it's free. And in the set there's also a girl, the same girl holding a brush, if you prefer. Actually, I think it's the same girl. Meh. Not sure, but doesn't matter. I'm using the one with the alcohol marker, of course. And this is Woodware Stamps old type messages. And I couldn't find it anymore. I think I got it at Simon Says Stamp a while ago. But yeah, it's not on their website. But if I find it, I will link it down below. Otherwise, you'll have to search for it in your area. And I'm stamping it with Versafine clear ink a few times. In the middle, I think my foam is starting to get indentations because there's like hot spots where it doesn't stamp, and that's okay, but it's grungy looking anyway, so instead of risking it for a third time, and some words like sometimes were really quite thick and juicy, and I didn't want to risk it. And I left it grungy. And I'm heat setting it because it's Versafine, and I just printed it on my inkjet printer as well, and you know, just to prevent smudges from the markers. Yeah, better be safe than sorry. It usually doesn't do that, but I don't know about you, there's a heat wave going on here, and it's very hot and nothing does what it should be. I am coloring it now. I'll turn on the music and then I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. I try to match the skin color a little bit like mine, and also the hair, but that would mean there should be some gray strands in there as well, and my hair is not quite that long. It's also a bit darker and not as shiny. Yeah, doesn't look at all like me. Pink, well, purple, fuchsia, teal are my favorite colors, so that's why I used that in my marker. And I'm just putting it on the card base with double-sided tape on there. And then I thought on my desk for a few weeks now there have been these paint markers from Deco Time. They come in a set with the same colors, same family colors, and they're glittery. These are cute, so I thought maybe I don't have the same blue. I didn't think about it, of course, but I'm checking it with my marker if they're really opaque like paint markers should be, but they're not because they're cheap. But that's okay, because you know, in this case that's very handy actually. And I also have, well, the teal blue ones and the lilac ones, and also the black and white ones. I didn't pull those out, but there's a few color families in Deco Time, and they come in a set of 3, as I said. And I chose to do her shoes glittery as well. And you can see you have to shake it, then press the point until it color comes out, and then it's very juicy. So I'm trying to get it off, but I thought a little bit of shine on the shoes. Oh, that's so nice. I have boring shoes and clothes, but this is my spirit animal. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.